I'm Sharif. This is my channel, All English Practice. Today, I would like to discuss all about degree of comparison. Comparison of adjectives or degree refers to different forms of the adjective. It is divided into three types: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Positive degree, an adjective is said to be in the positive degree when there is no comparison. He is a good man, he is a talented writer. In this sentence, there is no comparison other noun. Comparative degree. Comparative degree is used to compare one noun or pronoun to another noun or pronoun. In comparative degree, only two items are being compared: structure, subject, verb, comparative adjective, then, and object. Roman is older than lemon. Ron is smaller than Saki. In this sentence, we can find out then and compare two nouns, Roman and lemon, Ron and Saki. These are comparative degree. Superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare two or more nouns. They are also used to compare one thing against the rest of the group. Structure, subject, verb, the superlative adjective, object. Ryan is the oldest in the class. Dhaka is the biggest city in the world. Ryan is oldest in the class. হোল ক্লাসের মধ্যে রায়ান হচ্ছে সবচেয়ে বয়স্ক। ঢাকা ইজ দ্য বিগেস্ট সিটি ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড। ঢাকা হচ্ছে বিশ্বের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে বড় শহর। Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video.